Hi kids, today we will read few words of sound U. U says up, and now we will read few words.
Cup. It is used to drink tea or coffee. Bun. Children love to eat. Hut. It is made up of grass and leaves. Sun. It is a big ball of fire. Tub. We use it to bath. Jug. We keep water in it. Bug. It is an insect. Pug. It is a dog. Rug. Cub. Small baby of lion is also known as cub. None. Now it's revision time. You have to read the word and you have to circle the correct picture. And the first word is bud. And look at the picture. This is bud. Next is bug. And we have to circle the picture of bug. Next is bun. This is the picture of bun. Buy. This is the picture of buy. Cup. You have to circle the picture of cup. Last is cup. And we will circle the picture of cup. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.